everything changes.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Sunday, March 7th, 2021. Topic keeps coming up in all the Facebook groups, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, everywhere. And it comes up all the time. I made a video about it, but I'll make a video about it every day from now until the end of time, every week on the channel, until people seem to understand this and seem to get the point about why this is bad business and why you shouldn't do this and why you have to take your business seriously if you're a serious seller. And even if you're a hobby seller or part-time seller, you can't let buyers get away with this because it just teaches them bad habits for the rest of us. So what am I talking about? And it is sellers that offer refunds, partial refunds or shipping refunds when they realize that they can ship an item cheaper than how much they actually paid to ship it. So let me give you an example and a backstory here. Let's say that you have an item up for sale on eBay for, I don't know, 30 bucks, right? And you put $15 shipping on it, whether it's calculated or whether it's a rate that you set, like a flat rate, like 15, whatever. And calculated is actually gonna help my point a little bit later, but we'll get back to that. So the item's 45 bucks, right? Buyer clicks, buys it $45. So at the end of the day, they pay the $45 and you go to ship it. So you realize, let's say it's a hoodie, I don't know what it is. You realize it can go on padded flat rate, it's gonna cost you $8. So you realize that they overpaid $7 on the package. So then you go and you refund them $7. So this is not good business. Let me explain to you why it's bad business before I explain to you some of the reasons that people think it's good business, which feel free to put it down in the comments section. I don't understand how you could ever justify this as good business. It's bad business, but here's the reasons why it's bad. So number one, you paid a fee on the entire $45. Your final value fee is based on that, and if you send them back a few bucks for shipping, then you have screwed yourself. You won't get those fees back. eBay's not going to give that back to you, right? Okay, the second reason it's bad is because the main reason is the buyer paid a price they agreed to. They bought an item and they agreed to a price, and that was the end of it, right? Like they agreed to $45. They're not entitled or accepted to get back a refund. That's just not the way it works. The third reason, really important one, is you have a cost of shipping and handling. You have materials, you have time, you have all this stuff, which is included in all that. So again, you have cost, you have time, you have money, you have materials, you have prices, you have transport, you have ink, you have toner. Stop giving up money. Stop giving away money. That's reason number whatever, that you're just giving away money that is yours. eBay will not force you to refund that money. And if a buyer leaves negative feedback because they figure out that you shipped it for cheaper, eBay will remove it. And the buyer should never know how much you paid for shipping anyways. But if they are savvy and they happen to know like a padded flat rate or whatever, then yeah, they might know, but still that doesn't give them the right to get their money back. So all of these reasons are bad. Some people will say, well, it's good karma, or you'll get repeat business. Look, I've done an interview of thousands of sellers and their repeat business averages are so minute and so low it doesn't even matter. And good karma, I'm not in business for good karma. If it's not illegal or immoral, I'm in business for good money, for good business for me, not for help the buyer out. Who's in business to help their buyer out? I'm sorry. It's great to give good customer service, but you gave good customer service. You gave the buyer exactly what they asked for and exactly what they paid for. Beyond that, you're not responsible for anything else. Like, sorry, not sorry. I don't wake up every day and bust my butt for buyers that I don't even know. I bust my butt for myself. That might sound selfish, but look, why else do you wake up and work? Why does anyone go to a job? Why does anyone work a business? Not because you want to, generally. A lot of us love our job and love what we do, but it doesn't mean we necessarily want to do it. And we certainly don't want to do it for free or for less than what we're worth or what we're able to get. Now, the other thing is, if you're one of those people that says, I went back and refunded that $7, I hope you went back and refunded every single label that you got to charge a customer more for that actually cost you less to ship. So this is me circling back, seems to be the trending phrase of the month already, circling back to the discussion about eBay calculated. eBay might calculate a first-class label. Let's say it's, I don't know, 8 ounces, 9 ounces, 10 ounces. And they might say, oh, we calculated shipping at $5.25 and you got paid that by the customer, and you go to print the label and it's like $4.80. Yeah, I know it's only 45 cents, but you saved money, right? So you better go back and refund that customer. And you better go back and refund every single one of them, since you want to virtue signal or be some social justice, social seller, buyer, advocate of giving back every penny that the buyers overpaid. It's not feasible, guys. It doesn't make sense. It's stupid. I'll call it stupid. Say what you want about me. But it's really bad business, and that's just what it boils down to. And people can disagree with me and say that it's an opinion, and their opinion is it's good karma and this and that. There's no opinions here. The fact is eBay protects you. The fact is the buyer agreed to a price and paid it. The fact is you have costs and materials associated with shipping. The fact is you paid a fee on it. The fact is you would have to go back and refund every single customer. The fact is eBay calculated shipping overcalculates it sometimes. And in fact, they undercalculate it sometimes. So really, that's a wash for you. You got to have those overages in order to counter the underages. So everything I just said is a fact. There's no opinion here. You are welcome to run your business however you see fit, however you choose. But if you're doing your business in a fashion where you're giving up money that belongs to you rightfully and legally, then you are doing bad business. That's just bad business. There's no opinions about it. It's fact. And that's just it. And people are going to disagree with me, and I'm going to catch heat and thumbs down. And if you dislike the video, it helps me. So thank you for taking the time to do that. It helps the algorithm either way. But at the end of the day, you can be wrong. It's okay. And you can run the business the way you see fit, but just know you're doing business incorrectly at that point. So hopefully you understand that this video makes sense, and I'll keep posting it until it does. I appreciate all of you that do understand it, do run your business the right way, and choose to not educate those buyers and teach them that they're entitled to money that they're not entitled to. All right, guys, I'll leave you with that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the like button if you do want to. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos, and check out the links down below. We have some awesome links from some of our awesome partners that list perfectly. My Reseller Genie inventory tracking program. Our licensed CPA friend, Mark II, from Not Your Dad CPA, has an amazing tax academy to help you if you're still filing your taxes. You got about a month and a week left, so do check out all those links below, including my website, my wholesale site, and everything else you might need for your business. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.